Imagine relying on an AI for health advice, only to end up in the emergency room with psychosis. That's exactly what happened to a 60-year-old man who, after consulting ChatGPT, swapped his table salt for sodium bromide, a decision that spiraled into a medical nightmare. But here's where it gets controversial. Was it the man's misinterpretation of AI advice, or does this case highlight a deeper issue with how we trust technology for critical decisions? Let's dive in. This man, who had studied nutrition in college, became fixated on eliminating chlorine from his diet. Guided by his conversations with ChatGPT, he decided to replace sodium chloride, table salt, with sodium bromide, a substance he sourced online. What he didn't realize, and what ChatGPT seemingly didn't clarify, was the dangerous potential of bromide to accumulate in the body. Fast forward 3 months, and he found himself in the ER, convinced his neighbor was poisoning him. Paranoid and dehydrated, he refused hospital water, insisting he only drank distilled water at home. His restrictive vegetarian diet, combined with his unmentioned bromide intake, had left him with severe micronutrient deficiencies and a condition known as bromism. And this is the part most people miss. Bromism isn't a new phenomenon. A century ago, it accounted for 8 to 10% of psychiatric admissions in the U.S. Back then, bromine-containing compounds like potassium bromide were popular sedatives, used to ease anxiety or induce sleep. But their dark side? Bromide builds up in the body, impairing nerve function and causing symptoms ranging from grotesque skin rashes, warning, the linked image is graphic, to severe mental health issues. Today, this man's story serves as a stark reminder of the risks of self-experimentation, especially when guided by AI that lacks the nuance of human expertise. Here's the controversial question. Should AI like ChatGPT come with stronger disclaimers about health advice? Or is it solely the user's responsibility to verify such critical information? Let's discuss in the comments. This is a debate worth having,